we will see the all the 43 canons, and as we all know, the canon means rules or regulation, and it has many canons. And first time these canons are used by WCB sayers, and after that many LIS professionals they have used these canons. So canon is basically for constructing this library classification scheme. We need some type of canons. Okay, so first in the idea plane, canon of characteristics, we have seen canon of succession of characteristics, canon of array, and canon of filtering sequence. So all these five canons again is having the sub canons. Okay, then canon of verbal plane also, it consists of four canons: canon of reticence, canon of context, canon of enumeration, canon of currency we have seen. Then canon of notational plane, we have to see the canon of notational plane. We have not gone yet in depth of all these canons. Only we are seeing the canon of idea plane now. So canon of characteristics, which is coming under the idea plane, it has four canons, that is differentiation, relevance, ascertainability, and the permanence. Okay. Then we have seen the canon of succession of characteristics, and canon of succession of characteristics is based on canons, that is canon of concomitance, canon of consistent succession, and canon of relevant succession. So we have also seen all these canons. Then canon for array. So again, what is mean by array? We know that what is mean by array. So based on the array, we are grouping the various class in the similar classes. Okay, in the similar, we can say the similar groups. Okay, so here we have seen that canon of exhaustiveness, canon of exclusiveness, canon of helpful sequence, and canon of consistent sequence. So I think we have a yes, any problem? So here also the canon of exhaustiveness we have seen. According to the canon of exhaustiveness, whatever the array is created, it should give some place for accommodating a new subject. Okay. So at the last, we can accommodate a new subject in the array, because as we know that array means what is this? This is array. Just a minute, I will change it. Yeah. So this is array, and according to array, we have to keep a gap. Suppose this is one subject, this is the second subject, this is the third subject, then we have to make it blank, or we have to make it vacate, so that whenever a new subject is developed, then it should give a specific place in this particular gap. Okay. So for that, canon of exhaustiveness is there. Then according to canon of exclusiveness, we have seen whatever they should not overlap with each other. So here this is a one class, one, then two, then three. So whatever the array we are creating, it should not create the two classes similar. So that is the canon of exclusiveness. And the canon of helpful sequence, I think we have started this canon of helpful sequence. And then canon of consistent succession sequence means whatever array we are following from the traditional, that array we have to follow it. Like if we are following 1 2 3 4 5 sequence, then we have to follow it consistently without changing the purpose of library classification. If the purpose is changing, then only we can change the array. Otherwise there is no need to change the array. Okay, so that is canon of consistent succession sequence is said. So according to the canon of consistent succession, sequence, then whatever array we are following it, that array we have to follow it. Although there is a chances in the change in the classification purpose, then only we can change it. Okay. So here we have already seen this canons. Now I think we are reading, and we have already also seen this also, canon of helpful sequence. Under that, chronological sequence is there, evolutionary order is there, principle of spectacle contiguity is there, principle of quantitative measures, then principle of increasing complexity. Then literary warrant principle is also there, canonical sequence, alphabetical sequence, and the other some helpful sequence are also there. So I think we have seen, or I don't know, means we have seen it in depth or not. But I think we have to see this canon of principal sequence, helpful sequence. So according to the canon of helpful sequence, whatever the array we have created, or whatever the logic means logical sequence we have to create based on the any classification scheme, we have to keep in mind that the sequence should be helpful to all. So it will be helpful to library users, and it will be also helpful to all the LS professionals and the users also. So in that way, the canon of helpful sequence are very useful for doing the array in a systematic way. So for this, let us see the all the canons in depth. So again, the principle of helpful sequence in that spectral contiguity is there. Okay. So again, they are having the sub 13 principles of spectral contiguity. So we will also see that. So first is in the principle of chronological sequence, we have principle of chronological sequence. So chronological sequence means it is nothing but whatever the development is there based on the chronology or based on the later in time, that we have to first keep in the sequence first. Okay. So principle of later in time is saying that if the subject in an array of a subject have originated in the different times, okay, so that they have should be arranged in the parallel progressive time. So what is parallel progressive time means? Here in the chronological sequence, what we have to understand, that whatever the entities are there, so we have to arrange based on the chronological or historical sequence. Now here you can see one example. A group of boys and girls may be arranged by age. Okay. Then because whatever age we are, for example, we born in means suppose in 1957 means, so we have to take first the 1957, because according to age also that people is older. Okay. Then 1958, then 1959. So whenever there is we have to arrange the array according to the chronological order. Then we have to keep in mind that chronological order or principle of later in time we have to follow. So according to the time, whatever development is there, that we have to follow, and we have to give the sequence. Then the another example is the kings of the country may be arranged according to their period or the of a rule. Okay, so it may be the Indian, like Indian Prime Minister may be arranged in the chronological order. First Nehru, then Shastri, then Indira Gandhi, Moraji Desai, and then many Prime Ministers were there. Okay, so for that, here what sequence we are following? Chronological sequence. So according to time, whatever the progressive development is there, so based on that we are arranging the sequence. Suppose if you want to classify the prime minister, so those who are first having the first means having the first as a prime minister, then we have to keep it first in the row, means in the array or row we can say. Then GDC is also arranging this chronological sequence. So here you can see that in the history where the Mughal kings, in order to of their ascending order, like Babur, then Humayun, then Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, and the others are also there. So DDC is also following in some way this type of principles. Okay. So here we have to keep in mind whatever the later in time arrangements are there, that we have to follow. So CC is also following, which is devised by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, that is colon classification. Okay. So according to colon classification, this following this principle, basically the principle of later in time, or we can say the chronological sequence, that is followed in the religion subject. Okay. So once you look to the CC, now it is not means possible to see the CC, means that is colon classification. But whenever we go to the department, then you can see the CC, and there you can find that once you find the Q means Q indicates the religion. So CC, they are using the alphabets. Now here you are using, in DDC, you are using the numbers, okay? But in CC, they are using the alphabet. So according to the alphabet, religion, Q indicates the religion, okay? So Q is a means class number for the religion. So this particular thing you can find it there, the chronological order, that is religion. So religion indicates Q. Then Q1 is there, that is Vedic religion. Then post-Vedic religion for Q2. Then Jainism, Q3, Buddhism, Q4, Judaism, Q5, Christianity, Q6, and the Islam, Q7. Okay. So like this, they are following the sequence in the colon classification. But somehow the DDC is violating this such type of rules. In some example, the DDC is also following the chronological sequence like in the history. But here in religion, they are not following the particular principles of chronological sequence. So in some cases they are following, and in some cases they are violating this such type of principles, that is principle of later in time, or we can say the principle of chronological sequence. So here you have to keep in mind that what is principle of chronological sequence or principle of later in time. Whenever we have to arrange the array or any subject, whenever we have to give the sequence for any subject for the classification purpose, then you have to remember there is a time progression. Then you have to uh, give the sequence those who has developed first, okay, who are developed first. So that you have to keep in mind based on the principle of chronological sequence. So I think this is understood by all. So we will go later the next principle. Then principle of evolutionary order. So according to the principle of evolutionary order, means later in evolution, we can say principle of later in evolution. So according to this principle, just I will set my screen. According to these principles, later in evolution, some entities can be arranged as they have evolved. Means जैसे जैसे वो इवॉल्व होती है वैसे वैसे आप उसको सीक्वेंस प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. Okay, so here I don't know means you are using these terms or not. Animals can be arranged from amoeba to mammals. Then plants can be arranged by the otherwise we can take a different example. Here the other example is also there. Society can be arranged. Previously the hunting society was there. Then the agriculture has come into existence, that is called as a agriculture society. Then industries come, so industrial society, and then now the information society. We are living in the information society, and after this also knowledge society is there. Okay, so societies can be arranged based on their evolutionary order. So whenever these particular concept is developed, okay, or these stages are developed, then we have to keep the first in the array. Then you can take that evolution can be biological, social, or technological also. And in fact the evolutionary order subsumes chronological order. Means sometime for example, if you want to means classify the generation of computers, so means based on the both the order we can use it. So whatever the uh, later development is there based on the generation, like first generation computer, then second generation computer, fourth generation computer. So like this, you can also take the example for the evolutionary order. Evolutionary order is nothing but this principle is saying that whenever the development stages are there, according to the first principle, that is principle of later in time. So according to the time development, it will be there in the first array, okay, or in the order. But here evolutionary order, once it is developed, means based on their order, you can use the evolutionary order. Otherwise we can take the another example also. If there is a stages of development, For example, in the medicine we have, if we want to use the first will be the embryo, then the child, then adolescent stage will be there, then old stage will be there. So according to the human body, we can develop the various stages according to their evolutionary order. Here also we can take the another example, that is in W political science. According to CC, political science is given the class number W. Okay, because generally the CC use this colon classification use the alphabets for indicating the class numbers. So according to DDC, they are using the numbers. Okay, so here political science stands for W, that is according to the CC class number. So anarchy W1, primitive W2, feudal W3, monarchy, oligarchy, then democracy will be W6. So how this order will be given based on the evolution. So whenever the evolution is there after some time, means after some previous or the, we can say the whatever the next evolution is there. So based on that sequence, we can arrange this evolutionary order. So this is the second principle, which is coming under the principle of helpful sequence. Okay. Let me take your attendance first. Okay. Then let us see the other principle of spectral contiguity. So principle of spectral contiguity, you can, it is a bundle of 13 sub canons. Okay, so 13 sub principles, we can say. So how this principle is, let us see. So another principle is of geographical proximity or spectral contiguity. Spectral contiguity means जहाँ पे स्पेस है या फिर ऐसे बहुत सारा क्या बोलते हैं जैसे ग्रुप है या समूह है, जोग्राफिकल एरियाज है, वहां पे ये प्रिंसिपल्स वी कैन फॉलो, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रियल कॉन्टिग्यूटी. So if the entities exist in space, their arrangement should be nearer to one another as they configure naturally in the space or the earth. Okay. So suppose, for example, if we want to classify, or if we want to give the array for the galaxy, okay. So for spectral contiguity, we have a different, sometime it may be the vertical form, sometime it may be the horizontal form, sometime it may be the circle. So spectral contiguity, we can't say this will be a very static. Okay, so it will change. So we can arrange, here one example is given. We can arrange the Indian state in order of Jammu Kashmir, then Punjab, then Himachal, then Haryana, then Delhi, UP, and so on. So what principles they are following it? So Jammu Kashmir, then Punjab. So whatever may be the line, it may be coming under one line, like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal, then Haryana, then Delhi, then UP. So here we are following some line here. Even the planets in the space can be also arranged based on the various, what we can say, based on the various, this is all these are the I think Mercury, Venus. So they are the various planets. Okay. So Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Pluto. So based on the various, like it may be in the circle. Okay. So here the center to periphery, then periphery to center, like some symbol, some another principles are there, which we can see in the next slide. So here we can arrange it. So those who are very nearer, like Plato is very nearer to the earth. Okay, so we can arrange it first, then Jupiter, then Mars, then Venus, then Mercury. So like this we can arrange it. Okay, even all the body organs are also arranged based on the top down orders. We can see later, here all the principles are coming in one slide. So body organ, like for example, while parts of the building can be arranged according to the bottom upwards. So it depends what, how means how we are providing the structure, or how we are providing the array for the specific entity. Okay. So this method provides many techniques to arrange many different types of entities in the different spectral order. So here we can see the first principle, that is entry along a vertical line. Okay, just a minute. Here in spectral contiguity, that slide I forget to make it. Here there are many principles, like 13 principles are there in the principle of spectral contiguity. If you have copy and pen, then you can write it. Otherwise, in the previous slide also we have, I think we have given here. Yes. Yes, principle of the spectral contiguity. Okay. So in the principle of spectral contiguity, principle of entity along a vertical line. So according to the vertical line, we can arrange the principle of bottom upwards and the principle of top downwards. So how you can see that whenever the bottom upwards is there, I will explain you here only. Okay, there I forget to take this slide. So here you can see the principle of bottom upwards. So what is this principle of bottom upwards? We can see it first. If this is a tree, okay. So this tree is